We have an operator, a licensee of the class location tool. One of the main requirements for the class location tool is continuously measured route segments in GIS that are uniquely named. This particular operator created routes in their GIS data based on pipeline diameter. In effect, what they were doing was creating, if you picture like a 2-inch and a 4-inch pipe coming together in the ground, what they were essentially doing is making two separate routes. So in the context of a class location, if we think about the sliding mile, many people would think, hey, we should bridge those two segments of pipe and make one route. So PHMSA, in interpreting the output of the tool, came back to that operator and said, you should really consider making a single route out of these two segments, since they do differ in diameter, but there's no actual physical impediment to gas flow from segment to segment. Changing your methodology is always going to have impact. In the context of class locations, we could perhaps see a lot of 1s go to 2s or class 2s go to class 3, so it is significant.